guys and good morning. This is Tinay TV. So for today's video guys, andito tayo ngayon sa may seaside, sa community town. And before that, today is Sunday, May 11. And ngayon ay Mother's Day. So ayan, Happy Mother's Day to all nanay, mommy, mama, basta sa lahat ng nanay all around the globe. So ayan, thank you sa mga nanay natin, always there for us kahit nasa ups and downs pa ng ating mga buhay, nandiyan pa rin sila para sa atin. And syempre, I am so thankful kasi may nanay pa ako. So ayan, sa aking nanay, happy Mother's Day. Thank you so much sa pag-alaga sa aking mga. And ayan, happy birthday kay Inday Ann and Aiza. Belated happy birthday. So ayan, wishing you all the best in life. Stay safe always sa work. Stay healthy. And many birthdays to come. So ayan, and more blessings to come, syempre. Thank you so much for friendship. And thank you always for being there for me. Ayan, napa-English pa tuloy. Ayan, happy birthday, Inday Ann. And belated happy birthday kay Aiza. God bless you both.